And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk flowers for rent. Today we are going to be recreating one of our ceremony arches from the fall and winter lookbook that we launched last week. We featured 4 different collections in there, and Wren being one of them, which if you missed it, we refreshed our Wren collection later in June. But we featured her again in the lookbook, and we're just going to recreate that ceremony that you see in there.
Yes. Okay, so all of the products that we use to set up for the base will be linked below. They're a mixture of Overstock and Wayfair. So we'll list all the links if you are interested in getting them.
This is a base, and then everything else was our Wren products. And then we also had a green velvet fabric that we used to drape, which we'll show y'all when we get into the how-to, but you can use any color you want. Green just went with the whole color palette we were going for. But now we can get into it.
So we are placing a large Vaseless centerpiece on this pillar.
Yeah, and I love how the large Vaseless was designed to have like the draping of the orchid coming off, which was really pretty. And then we have our new Wren blended large Vaseless centerpiece on the other side. We're going to do another large right here. And then we're going to add our drapery. So the one end is going to go from this side up to the column. Okay, so we have our draping going through the middle. We just attached it to the columns by the arrangement, so they're kind of holding it up.
In place of Floral Meadow right next to this.
So the column that we have here, there's a lot of surface area to work with. We're going to have like a swag coming off the back end, and then we're going to layer a large blended Vaseless centerpiece in front of that. For the swans, our Vaseless centerpieces fit perfectly inside of them. Add that to the opening and have the Vaseless foam kind of sit in there really nicely. Okay, and then we're going to add a blended Meadow behind my swan. It's very nice and full. The couple can still stand in the middle or maybe a little out from it, but it just gives you a really nice backdrop.
Yeah, and
different heights.
Incredibly easy.
Yeah, you just literally place and go. So yeah, that is our Wren ceremony from the lookbook. So if you love this look, we can't wait for you to recreate it at your own wedding. If you want to see more of the lookbook and get even more inspiration for fall and winter, you can check that out. SBBlooms.com. We'll also link it in the description for you to just click and go to. We are still taking requests for our how-to series, so if you need specific help with an area, if you see something online that you really love and you want to recreate it but you don't know how, we have a form in the description below. Let us know where you need help with, what collection you're interested in. Leave your inspo picture, because that is key to the whole series, and we will pick a few to recreate throughout the year. So be sure to fill that out, and maybe your how-to will be picked.
Yes, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.
Bye.